Alright, peeps. I guess y'all wondering why I'm holding all this stuff that my plumber would have. I bought my house probably about 2 years ago. And one day I was clearing out some brush here. And I broke my water pipe. Now, I show you this to show you that no, it is not perfect at all. By far, it is not perfect. This is probably one of the worst plumbing jobs you've ever seen in life, but for $40, yes, I did that myself. And I always say, jerry rig it. I mean, my gosh, I didn't have water or anything in my house for about, I would say about a half a day. Called around $300, $400, $500 for the plumber to come out and fix something that I'm like, my gosh, I know I can do it myself. So I drove myself to the hardware store, and guess what? I told him what I needed. He said I could do it for myself, and guess what? I did it. You know, and this is jury rigging to the fullest. Now, I really do need to fix this at some point in time, but guess what? I have water in my house. It cost me, like I said, $30 to $40. Did it myself. Now, as you've probably seen, there's a lot of duct tape up here also. I'm a fond believer of using duct tape on everything. If you need it, hey, this thing is, I haven't had the money to fix this yet, but guess what? Not much water gets in here now that I'm using my duct tape. This is how you live when you're just buying a house. You gotta struggle, but guess what? You jerry rig everything, you can be all right. I'm out.